Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change language on iVisa account. So first we're going to go to our iVisa app. You can download it from the Play Store or App Store. Then next we're going to sign in. Then next we're going to click on our profile section. Then again we're going to click on settings on the top right corner. As you can see there's the select language option. So as you can see there are a list of languages supported by this app. You guys could change it by clicking on it. Then it automatically changes it. You can change it up as much as you want, so it's an easy process. Just go to the settings and you can find the language option. Then you can continue with your application. So this is how you do it. We also have different how-to tutorials on our YouTube page. Make sure to check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I would see you again. Goodbye.